nice to finally meet you. Welcome to Optimal Health Chiropractic. Follow me. So Optimal Health Chiropractic, we're what you call a research-based, evidence-based chiropractic office. So what we're going to do today is we're going to find out your conditions by going through a thorough exam, finding out what your needs are, and then treating you in the most effective research way to get you better quicker. How convenient would it be if you could come to your chiropractor and not have to take time off work or as easy as on your lunch break? Optimal Health Chiropractic is located in Willis Tower and services not only Willis Tower, but the buildings surrounding.